I am going to show you how we do one of our favorite breakfasts, all on the grill here at the farm. Rained like crazy last night, so the first thing we need to do is dry off our table. You can see the sun trying to peek through the clouds up there this morning. Beautiful morning. We'll prep these breakfast links, snipping them apart, and get them ready for the grill. Also oil this pan here for the eggs. Get the links going here. And then at the same time we will do the eggs. These are pastured eggs from Prairie Bluff Farm in Mount Horeb. We'll do the links and eggs first, and then heat up the syrup here from our farm. Looking pretty good, ready to flip. Oh yeah. When the eggs are ready, we will take them off the grill. So if you put your grill on a level surface, you won't have the same struggles that I am having here. Getting these things to try not to roll. Listen to the sizzle. Once we're all done, we'll take these off the grill and get ready by heating up the griddle a little hotter for the pancakes. We'll cover them with foil just to keep them warm as we do the pancakes. Switch to butter. It makes a beautiful crust on those pancakes. And then our pancake mix has been sitting, getting all bubbly. It's ready to go. That hot griddle is cooking them really quick. This is the last step, so we are almost done. The syrup's hot, the table is spread.
Do you want two?
Now we just enjoy.
Actually, no, I want all the pancakes.
Everyone down to the littlest all loved,
You want all the pancakes.
especially the sausage sticks and pancakes.
Some sausage sticks. Okay.
Got just a little help with the syrup right here.
Yum.
This is one of our favorite breakfasts here at the farm. If you like this video, just subscribe for more or visit our site, sparrowhillfarm.net.